Hi friends, good morning. This is Subramani. In this video, I am going to explain how to make purchase order through Excel. Here I have downloaded one file. Just you just you check this box, click unbox, then apply, then OK. Now double click to open this file. This is the file. Once you open, here you can enter the PO number, say example 1010, your date, let it be. Okay. Here I am enter address, street, then Gandhi Nagar, Chennai. Okay, this is the address, and this address will not change as it is the company address. So 123 New Street, like this. Okay, let it be for if any spelling mistakes. Once you enter this data here, item number 1, item 2, whatever the items you have to create, just enter, and the description whatever you wish you can enter whatever it is. Okay, like this. That is the description of your items. Okay, here the units, numbers, cages, like that, whatever you wish. Okay, and here enter the quantity, say 1 1 4 3. Once you enter the quantity, price will multiply and total price will come here. Okay, now we will check the percentage. 2500 into 18 by 100, 450. Tax is okay. Then click on save button, save data. Once you click the save data, that will go and save here in this file, data file. Okay, for to maintain record, it is automated. So you want to generate PDF, say example, I want to create PDF for invoice number 1005. Once you enter that invoice number, you will get the details. Invoice number 1005 is 2970, and 10010, this comes 2970. And I want to print this invoice number 1003. Say preview 1003. You will get this details for invoice number 1003. Okay, it's fine. You can convert this into PDF also, or you can print out. Okay, say example, say here, click, then print or save as. save as PDF, okay, then save. So it's free as of now. You can download that in the description. I have given the link to download this file. It is very easiest way and it's very safe. Your data will save here. Once you enter the details in pivot order, pivot order like date and pivot number, and fill the party address, whatever it is, and item description and units, quantity, price, and everything you have to fill, and then click on save data. Once you click on save data, it will sit in the data sheet. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.